Bootstrap mode gets local AI chatting in under 2 minutes. Instead of spending hours wiring microservices, ODS bootstraps a fully functional AI stack. Your workstation becomes a fully sovereign, private artificial intelligence server. Setting up local AI usually means configuring Alma, OpenWebUI, and databases separately. Port collisions, broken dependencies, and separate API management make self-hosting frustrating. And this is where it gets interesting. The Osmantic ODS repository provides unified shell installers and structured Docker Compose runtime directories. Under the hood, ODS layers web interface, gateway routing, and inference engines together. The core gateway routes user chat prompts directly to Llama server and local vector storage. The installer scans host hardware and assigns an explicit VRM envelope memory tier. It auto-selects optimal model files from its library and configures environment variables automatically. Deploying the complete stack requires running only a single script command in your terminal. Hardware tiering spans from 8 GB of VRAM up to 48 GB setups. An 8 GB card provisions Qwen 3.59B, while a 24 GB system gets 27B. Here is what that looks like in practice. Voice capabilities handle speech recognition through whisper and text-to-speech using Kokoro. Private web search, vector retrieval, and automation workflows run completely on your local machine. If local compute is insufficient, optional hybrid routing connects directly to external APIs. Services act as modular extensions that can be enabled or adjusted in configuration files. Docker must be installed beforehand, and Windows hosts rely on Docker Desktop with WSL. Running larger models on CPU fallback causes noticeable drop-offs in token generation speed. This is designed for developers and home lab users needing total control over private AI data. Centralized provider queries expose data and lock your infrastructure into subscription pricing. Check out the ODS repository on GitHub to build your sovereign AI server today.